In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to hit Google. Now choose All Services and scroll again to hit Autofill with Google section. Thanks to it, you can choose Google Password Manager and add any password you want by hitting Add Password at the top. But here's a common issue. If you don't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To enable Add Password option, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Then make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled, and exit Settings to log in into any app that requires an account. Then wait for the pop-up to show. When you see it, select Save at the bottom right corner and go back into Google Passwords Manager. Then you can finally hit Add Password at the top and input any password manually. To do that, enter any site at the top or choose Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!